Hey guys, welcome to the Catway. So in this video, we are going to solve a LRDI set which is based on quants and linear arrangement. Okay. So before I begin, I would like to thank all the people who have joined us, and our Facebook group link is there in the description below. Now let's roll in for the video. So the question says that five friends, Manish, Naresh, Pawan, Salman, and Tarun, who live in the same flat, bought a cake one evening. All of them decided to eat the cake together the next morning and stored it in the refrigerator. However, during the night at different times, each of the five friends sneaked off to the refrigerator and ate some portion of the cake without each other's knowledge. The next morning, the five friends found that only 1/8 of the cake was remaining. Further, it is also known that none of them ate more than half of the cake that was remaining at the time they went to eat the cake. Tarun ate half of the cake that was remaining when he went to eat it, and Manish ate the same quantity of cake as Tarun did. Salman ate the cake after Pawan did, and after Salman finished eating, more than 1/8 of the cake was remaining. The person who ate last ate only the person who ate last ate only 1/4 of the cake that was remaining when he went to eat, and Tarun ate the cake before Salman did. When Manish went to eat the portion of the cake, only 4 by 5 of the cake was remaining. So after reading all these statements, we are clear of few things. That first thing we need to find is what was the order in which they ate the cake during the night time, and after that what is the quantity of cake, that is what portion of cake did each one of them ate during the night. Okay, so let us start with our first statement. So the first statement says that none of them ate more than half of the cake that was remaining at the time they went to eat the cake. Now from this statement we cannot deduce anything because it's a general statement and it's just a piece of information given to us that no one will eat more than 50% of the remaining cake. Okay, we cannot deduce anything from this as of now. Let's move to the second point. The second point says that Tarun ate half of the cake that was remaining when he went to eat it, and Manish ate the same quantity of cake as Tarun did. Now from this point, see, what we can deduce is that who went first. Was it Tarun who went to eat the cake first, or was it Manish who went to eat the cake first? How can we do that is, see, it says that Tarun ate half of the cake that was remaining. So let's say Tarun ate x by 2 of the cake. Okay. So after Tarun has eaten x by 2 of the cake, whatever will be the remaining portion, Manish will never be able to eat that quantity of cake. You can check it with the help of percentage values also. Let's say Tarun was the first one who went to eat the cake. So that means 100% of the cake was left, and he ate 50% of the cake. That is half of the cake. So that means after he left eating, 50% of the cake was left. Now let's say Manish went right after this. So then too Manish cannot eat 50% of the cake because the maximum quantity that Manish can eat is 50% of remaining, that is 25% of the whole. Take another example. Take that, let's say when Tarun went to eat the cake, 60% of the cake was remaining. Okay. So if 60% of remaining and Tarun ate half of the cake, that means he ate 30% of the cake. Now the maximum amount that Manish can eat is going to be 15%. Okay. So from this, one thing is sure, that Manish went before Tarun. Okay. So let us note that down, that Manish went before Tarun. Okay. Now come to the third point. Salman ate the cake after Pawan did. Just note it down, Pawan, and after that, who is going to go is Salman. It's not that immediately he went after him, but he went after him. Okay, we have one thing. This is what we are sure about. Okay, and after Salman finished eating, more than 1/8 of the cake was remaining. Now, this statement is also a very important one because it helps us determine that Salman was not the last one who went to eat the cake. Why? Because we have been told in the question that the next morning the five friends found that only 1/8 of the cake was remaining. Whereas after Salman finished eating, more than 1/8 of the cake was remaining. So the maximum position that Salman can go is up till fourth position. Okay. From second to fourth is what Salman can vary. Let us read further to get to know what is the exact position of Salman. So the fourth point says that the person who ate last ate only 1/4 of the cake. Now till now there is no use of this point because we are determining what was the order in which they ate. That was remaining when he went to eat it, and Tarun ate the cake before Salman did. So if Tarun ate the cake before Salman did, we can say that Salman is going to be only can be third number or fourth number. Okay, Salman cannot be before that. Okay. Acha, now see, Acha, Salman can never be third also. Salman is definitely going to be fourth because Salman has Pawan also ahead of him. Okay. Now, one thing is sure, that Salman is going to be the fourth person who ate the cake. Till now, we have to determine who went. Manish, Tarun and Pawan are going to be 1, 2 and 3. Let's see what order are they going to be. Another thing which is sure is that Naresh went fifth. Okay, Naresh is the last one to eat the cake. Now between Manish, Tarun and Pawan, read the fifth statement. It clears it out that when Manish went to eat the portion of a cake, only 4 by 5th of the cake was remaining. That means there is someone who ate the cake before Manish. It cannot be Tarun. So definitely it is going to be Pawan. So that means Pawan was the first one who went to eat the cake. After that, Manish followed him. And then was the time when Tarun went to eat the cake. Fourth was Salman and fifth was Naresh. So now we have a linear arrangement completed. Okay. Now the next thing which we have to find is that which person ate what quantity of cake. So let us make a table for that. So table is going to look like person, quantity before eating, quantity before, quantity after, and eaten part. Okay, so these are the things which we have to determine. So let's check it out. So there are 5 people. So okay, let us write the order in which they went. So it is Pawan, then Manish, then it is going to be Tarun, then it's Salman, and then it's Naresh. Okay. Acha, now one thing is sure that before Pawan went to eat the cake, complete, that is one whole quantity of cake was left. Okay. Now from the fifth point, we know that when Manish went to eat the portion of cake, only 4 by 5th of the cake was remaining. So that means from here, Manish quantity before was 4 by 5. Okay. So what we can say from here is that why was 4 by 5 remaining, because 1 by 5 was eaten. Okay, 1 by 5 was eaten, then only 4 by 5 was remaining. Okay, so from this we have filled for Pawan. Now come to Manish. Acha, for Manish we know that whatever, let's say x is the amount, let x be the quantity that was remaining after Manish had finished eating. Okay, so let x be that quantity after Manish finished eating. Now given that Tarun ate 50% of what was remaining. Okay, so if x was the quantity after Manish has eaten, so before Tarun started, x will be the quantity. And if x will be that quantity, then what the amount which Tarun is going to eat is going to be x by 2. That means that will be the same amount that Manish is going to eat, because we know that they both ate equal amount of cake. So from Manish, we can find out, what we can see is that 4 by 5 of the cake was remaining. Okay, from this x by 2 was eaten, and what was left was x. Okay, so let us solve this. So 4 by 5 is equal to x plus x by 2. We can say that 4 by 5 is equal to 3x, sorry guys, is equal to 3x by 2, or we can say that x is equal to 8 by 15. Okay, so if x is equal to 8 by 15, x is equal to 8 by 15, so what we can say that x by 2 is going to be equal to 4 by 15. Similarly, this one will be x by 8 by 15, and this one is going to be 4 by 15. Okay, so acha, now because we know that before Tarun started eating, 8 by 15 was left. After, and how much did he eat? He ate 4 by 15 of the cake. So that means the quantity which was remaining after he has eaten is going to be 4 by 15. Similarly, before Salman started eating, it will be 4 by 15. Okay, so till this much it is clear, I hope so. Let's move ahead. Just a second, guys. Okay, now we have also been given that after everyone had eaten, 1 by 8 of the cake was remaining. Okay, 1 by 8 of the cake was remaining is what we know. We also know that the last person ate x by what, let's say x was remaining, so the last person, what did he eat? He ate x by 4 of the cake. See, we can read it from here that okay, the person who ate last ate only 1/4 of the cake that was remaining. So let's say x was the quantity that was remaining. He ate x by 4, and what was remaining was 1 by 8. So what we can say that from x, if x by 4 was eaten, the remaining portion was 1 by 8. Okay, so from here we can get that 3x by 4 is equal to 1 by 8, and from here we can get that x is equal to 1 by 6. So if x is equal to 1 by 6, that means the portion eaten is going to be 1 by 24. And if 1 by 6 was quantity before Naresh started eating, that means 1 by 6 is going to be the quantity that was remaining after Salman had eaten. So if Salman started with 4 by 15 and ended with 1 by 6, the quantity which he ate is going to be 1 by 10. So from this we have found out at what part did each person eat and what was the order of the eating. Okay. So now we can move towards the question. So let's check out the questions. So who was the last person to eat the cake during the night? So it is going to be Naresh. What percentage of entire cake did Pawan eat? Pawan had eaten 1/5, that is equal to 20%. Third question, who among the following ate the least quantity of cake as a percentage of quantity of cake that was remaining when he went to eat? Okay, so for this one, let's see what we can do. So Pawan, how much cake did he eat? He ate 20% of the cake. Okay. Similarly, Tarun has eaten 50% of the cake. Naresh has eaten 25% of the cake. Okay. For Salman, we need to find it out. So let us find that out. Okay. So it is going to be 1/10 by 4/15. Okay. So 1/10 into 15/4. What is it going to be? 3/6. Sorry, 3/8. So 3/8 is going to be 37.5%. Okay. Come to Manish. So Manish has eaten 8/15. Just a second, guys. 8/15. Sorry, he ate 4/15 of the cake of 4/5 left. So what amount did he eat? 4/15 into 5/4. So that is going to be 1/3. So that is going to be 33.33%. Okay. So what we can say is that the least amount of cake was eaten by Pawan, and that is equal to 20%. So the correct answer will be option number D. So from this, with this we have completed our set. I hope you have understood the set well, guys. So thanks for watching the video.